BuildFire Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we'll be diving into a comprehensive review of the BuildFire Mobile App Development Platform, sharing my personal usage experience. All the relevant links to the product are included in the description, so feel free to check those out. BuildFire is a no-code mobile app development platform designed to help businesses, entrepreneurs, and agencies create mobile apps quickly and efficiently. It offers a wide range of features, from customizable templates to powerful plugins, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced developers alike. The platform is primarily aimed at users who want to build apps without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Whether you're creating an app for e-commerce, education, entertainment, or even internal business solutions, BuildFire provides the flexibility to meet diverse needs. One of the standout features of BuildFire is its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which allows you to easily customize your app's design and functionality. With a wide selection of pre-built templates, you can quickly set up the core structure of your app and then refine it with advanced features like push notifications, in-app purchases, geolocation, and social media integration. The platform also supports integrations with third-party tools and services, which is ideal if you need to connect your app with external systems. Another major highlight is BuildFire's scalability. As your app grows, you can seamlessly add new features and expand its functionality. Another thing I really appreciate is BuildFire's customer support. The team is incredibly responsive and offers in-depth guides, tutorials, and a dedicated support team to help with any technical issues or questions. The platform also allows you to publish your app to both the App Store and Google Play, making the distribution process seamless. Overall, BuildFire is a robust, user-friendly platform that caters to a wide range of mobile app development needs. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large agency, BuildFire provides the tools you need to create a professional-grade mobile app with ease. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to develop an app without the complexity of traditional coding.